On his home debut, Ricardo Carvalho scored for Real Madrid as they beat Osasuna 1-0 at the Santiago Bernabeu. Head coach Jose Mourinho opted for Gonzalo Higuaín, Karim Benzema and Cristiano Ronaldo in a three-man attack, with the Portuguese forcing an early save from Ricardo. Ronaldo was a surprise inclusion in Mourinho's side after recovering early from an ankle injury. Higuaín could have done better from close range, following a perfect cross from Ronaldo. And after a good run from Mesut Ozil, the Argentine squandered another close-range opportunity, firing into the side netting. Before half-time, Sergio Ramos, who reverted to right-back, headed an Ozil corner over. In the second half, Real Madrid really meant business. Ozil and Ronaldo combined on the break, and the Whites' number 7 was unselfish in front of goal as Carvalho netted on his home debut. Things didn't get much better for Higuaín though. Last season's top goal scorer still couldn't get the better of Ricardo in the Osasuna goal. Marcelo attempted the spectacular, and this little dink from Ozil went just wide. Ronaldo was unable to cap a great performance with a goal as Ricardo continued to frustrate the home side's attack. But thanks to Carvalho, Real Madrid won their first home match of the season, making it 4 points from the first 2 games.
It was an easy game. There were no problems for Casillas in goal. He had very little to do, no saves to make, and apart from goal kicks and throwouts, he had a very quiet afternoon. We didn't play well, but there was a marked improvement after the break. We didn't link up as we should have, but I know how to build a good side and what we have to do to get better. We have yet to concede in 2 games, and Casillas has not had a single save to make. I think I recall just the one shot from a left-hand-sided player from Mallorca, and that flew across the face of goal. That's about it. We're doing very well at the back, and we've yet to concede a chance of note in 2 matches. As for tonight's clash, we dominated the game. There were no problems at the back, although we lacked ideas when pushing forward. We also lacked a bit of confidence, but this would have come with a second. We deserved to win tonight by a greater margin, and I assure you that had we got a second, we would have seen a much better Madrid. I'm happy with the 3 points, and there are lots of positives to draw from tonight's game. I felt very relaxed during the whole match, as we were always in command. The fans at the Santiago Bernabeu always knew that the result was never in doubt, but although we dominated from start to finish, we all want more. The fans, myself, and the players.
We picked up 3 points tonight, which is exactly what we needed to do here at home. It was important, particularly after the draw away to Mallorca. We deserved it, so we must continue to work hard. We're delighted with the result. We had several chances to score tonight, but we were unlucky. At the end of the day, we won the game, which was very important for us, particularly because it was a home game. Playing here at the Santiago Bernabeu as a Real Madrid player is probably one of the greatest achievements for any footballer. I enjoyed every second playing tonight, and I hope to play a lot. But tonight was a very important night for the team, because we're definitely on the right path. The fans were great tonight. I'm always happy to work hard and help the team out as much as possible. That's why I'm here, and I hope to continue doing the same throughout the season. The crowd were a great support. I was tired, so Jose Mourinho decided to take me off. I was really delighted with the crowd's applause and cheering when I went off. That was a nice feeling.
Ja, es ist das nächste Auswärtsspiel. Wir wollen dieses Spiel natürlich auch gewinnen. Wir müssen nachlegen.
Our next league game is away to Real Sociedad, and obviously we want to win it. Before then, we have to play Ajax midweek, which of course we also want to win. It's definitely not going to be easy, but hopefully we'll achieve it.
Auf jeden Fall die nächsten beiden Spiele auch gewinnen werden.
We have 2 games next week, first against Ajax and then Real Sociedad. Obviously, our aim is to win both.